Welcome to your sneak peek of the Moneymaker course. So who am I? What is the Moneymaker course? And what are you going to learn? So I'm Katrina Julia. I'm a transformation coach and a lifestyle entrepreneur. And part of my story is that I'm also a certified public accountant. However, in the course of leaving corporate America, losing over 55 pounds, and transforming my own money, so serving others in over 7 to 9 industries, generating 7 to 9 figures year over year consistently, I still found myself hitting different caps of wealth, and I still found my own money in chaos. So through my own transformation of ordering my money, simplifying my money, generating results like what I used to do for others, and setting up those strategies, those structures, and those systems, this course was born. So what is in this course? What would you experience, and what would you get if you decide to join us on the other side? So first, because I believe in giving massive value up front, you get to experience our 6-pack of wealth course. So you'll get to experience and dive deep into the 6-pack of wealth course. So you've got nothing to lose, everything to gain, and you can experience that and not do anything else. So in the 6-pack of wealth course, I'm going to expose you to the 6 nutrients or behaviors of money. So everyone talks about a 6-pack of abs. Why not a 6-pack of wealth? Or why not both? Because you can have it all, my friends. So what are the 6 behaviors? So in the webinar, you'll experience even more, but the 6 behaviors are creating wealth, giving, saving, spending, leverage, and investment. So obviously that's a structure, and it can go several different ways, but it'll help you start to order your money and different percentages to gauge it and to have it go in different directions. And what's the intention and the idea behind it all, as well as are you allocating your money with what you say you want? Or are you doing the opposite from what you say you want? That was what I found myself for years doing. So the more you become aware, the more things will flow easier and easier, okay? So besides that, in the 5-week course, so it's a 5-week course, it's designed where you can do each section in as little as a day, but I give the week's leeway or the week grace in order to do it. So the first part that you'll experience is the money mindset. And in the money mindset, you guys, it's so important that you get clear with where your mindset is, where your mindset has been, where it is right now, where you want it to go, and the next step of what it's gonna take. So all of us came into this world with different money stories initially. So what money stories did your mom have? What money stories did your dad have? Meaning, did they have more than enough? Did they pursue their own dreams? Those are some of the different insights you'll experience in the gut check with the money mindset. So it'll really help you start to get crystal clear on what was the foundation when you came into this world, and what are the same habits that you've continued to perform. So you may also want to Google the study of epigenetics, because epigenetics talks about things that we're predispositioned to do, or habits that we repeat because of what we've seen modeled, or different generations in our family have done. So after the money mindset, that's when you'll get into the 6-pack of wealth. And in the course, I give you even more behind the scenes activities, different tools, beyond what you'll experience in the free webinar. Then after the 6-pack of wealth, we get into the profit path. So in the profit path, we dive heavily into the creating section of the 6-pack. So in the profit path, I take you and I guide you step by step from foundation to stability, then to growth. Because in order for you to get and keep different results in your life and every area, especially money, it's very important to have a stable foundation, a firm foundation, stability, consistency, and then catapult, and not only catapult your growth, but to keep it. And you'll get a step-by-step roadmap with that profit path. Then beyond the profit path, which will also include behind the scenes, technology that we use, the exact technology that I use to set up Fit Life Creation, our masterminds, our courses, so you'll get complete access, behind the scenes, insight, things that took me, you guys, years, participation in several different programs, several different masterminds, over 4 to 7 years, depending on what I was learning. So from the profit path, we'll get into crazy cash in week 4. So as a certified public accountant, as well as a certified fraud examiner, as well as having this story with money in my own life, and all these experiences with over 7 to 9 industries, you guys, retail, energy, consulting, education, just to name a few, you can imagine the different insights from a cash flow, as well as an entrepreneurial aspect that I've been able to have. So in Crazy Cash, I'm gonna expose you not only to existing management of cash, but I'm also gonna expose you into insight into forecasting your future effectively. So you really start to get insight into that as well. Then from Crazy Cash, we're gonna set you up powerfully with crazy confidence with the Momentum Maker. And in the Momentum Maker, we're not only gonna tie every single thing that you've learned in the prior 5 weeks, we're going to then integrate it with the rest of your life. So we're gonna be talking about momentum from week 1, mindset, into week 2, the 6-pack, into week 3, the profit path, into week 4, crazy cash, and then momentum, and being crystal clear on your next steps, as well as your 90-day plan. Then we're gonna integrate the spiritual, the mental, the emotional, the relational, the physical, the playful, and the financial. So at the same time, you're making progress in every single area of your life. So you're feeling like a rock star, things are moving along. So let's start with the first aspect of experiencing the freebie with the webinar of the 6-pack. And then if you decide that you're ready for this course, you're ready to be a moneymaker, not only are you gonna get the 5-week course, you're also gonna get a bonus of exponential exposure, where I give you access to my press trip list, my guest blog list, speaking opportunities, and much more to really take your brand to the next level. You're also gonna get access to 3 months in our mastermind and the Creation Club with over 12 themes in health, money, and business, from Jumpstart Transformation to Smart Social, to More in the Moneymaker, to Boss Brand, to Inspire with Influence, and much, much more. So you'll see that in your links with the webinar as well. On top of that, you're gonna get a monthly transformation pack with tools like Herbalife, the #1 global nutritional brand, which without the creation of Fit Life Creation would not have been possible for me, and you wouldn't be listening to this video. And then on top of that, other tools and bonuses with money and business. So in total, you'll end up experiencing not just the freebie, the transformation pack, the 5-week course, the 3 months in the mastermind on top of that, and the monthly transformation pack for $497. And I know from my own experiences, coaches have charged way more for way less than that, and not including anywhere near that value to also help you and equip you to truly be a moneymaker and to make and create transformation and unleash inspiration in your life. So see you on the other side, whether you choose to do the freebie, whether you choose to get into the club, whether you choose to get into the full-on course. I can't wait to see what you create and what you inspire and how you learn and what value you get. And thank you so much.